In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see how many envelopes are left in Docusign by viewing your envelope details. If you're managing documents frequently and want to keep track of your envelope usage, this video will guide you through the necessary steps. Let's get started. First, you'll need to head over to the Docusign website. Ensure you're on their official site, docusign.com, https www.docusign.com/enph. Docusign is widely acclaimed as the #1 in electronic signature and intelligent agreement management, making it a trustworthy platform for handling your document signing needs. Once you are on the Docusign homepage, the next step is to log into your account. Look towards the top right corner of the page where you can find the Login button. Click on it and enter your credentials to access your account. Make sure you have your username and password handy, and if you're using a shared or public computer, remember to log out after you're done. This helps to keep your account secure. After successfully logging in, navigate to the Docusign home. You will be able to see a dashboard that provides a summary of your account activities, recent documents, and more. This homepage acts as your main hub within the site. From the home, you'll want to head over to the admin section. To do this, find and click on the admin tab. This will redirect you to the administrative interface where you can manage various aspects of your Docusign account. Navigating the admin section gives you access to more comprehensive tools that are useful for account management. Next, within the admin panel, you'll need to select Plan and Billing. This section will give you insights into your current Docusign plan, including the specifics on billing and account usage. This is essential for keeping track of your spending and ensuring that you're maximizing the benefits of your current plan. Finally, to view how many envelopes are left in your account, click on View Usage Details. Here you will find a detailed breakdown of your envelope usage. You can see how many envelopes you have sent and how many are remaining within your monthly or annual quota. This information is particularly useful for planning and making informed decisions about whether you need to adjust your current plan or purchase additional envelopes. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to see your envelope usage in Docusign. Being aware of your usage helps you manage your account more effectively and stay within your plan's limits. I hope this guide has been useful. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.